Good morning, students of class 5. In last video we had studied chapter number 6, that was adjectives, and I have said you to send the PDF. I will be sending the PDF. So let us start with the 8th chapter. Okay, we will start with the 8th chapter, that is verbs and verb forms. As your examinations are going to start in the next month, so let us study these all things. Okay, so chapter 8, verbs and verb forms. Children, we all know what is verb. You all must be knowing verb is the action words, or the doing words are known as verb. So now verbs can be used in four forms. Verbs can be used in four forms: their root form, their present participle form, their past form, and their past perfect form. So their root form is its original form. जिस फॉर्म में वर्ब का ओरिजिनल फॉर्म हो उसे we tell root form. We call it root form. For example, walk, play, sing, run. So these all are its original forms. It's their root form. Okay. Second one, their present participle form. Present participle form, ing is added in this. Okay. So in present participle form, ing is added. So walking, playing, singing, and running is its present participle form. Next one is past form. Whenever we make the word or the sentence past, what we do? We use ed in that. So walk, what will be walk? Past of walk, walked. Play, played. Sing, sang. And run, ran. Okay, you all must be knowing these all things. These all are not new things for you. Okay. Next, their past perfect form. Their past perfect form: walked, walked, played, played, sang, sung, ran, run. Okay. So this is the past perfect form of these verbs. And the root form is given here: walk, play, sing and sung. ये आपका root form हुआ. These all are present participle form. We put ing in that. In past form we put ed. And present and their past form, some remain same as in past perfect form. Some remain same as past form, but in some verbs changes. Okay, in their past perfect form. So now children, here are some exercises. So exercise number 1, fill in the blanks with suitable verbs. The verbs for each pair of sentences are same. So these pair of sentences, the verbs which will be used in these both pair of sentences, that will be same. जो verb इस sentence में use होगा, the policeman dash after the thief. ओके, तो जो भी वर्ब का फॉर्म होगा और जो भी वर्ब यूज़ होगा, तो बोथ सेंटेंस में सेम होगा. ओके, द पुलिसमैन रैन आफ्टर द थीफ, द वॉटर रैन इनटू द ड्रेन. ओके, इसी तरह से आपको ये बनाना है. द कंडक्टर डैश फॉर द बस टू स्टॉप, द केटल डैश टू द वाटर बॉयज. यू ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट आउट. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, choose the correct action words and complete the pair of words. You have to choose the action words and complete the pair of words. Knives, what? Chop, sharpens or paint. What it will be? You have to use your own brain. Okay. Cyclist, pedal or pedal. Cyclist pedal. Aeroplanes, buzz, zoom or roar. Okay. Motorist drive, pull, draw their vehicle. A pianist rings keys and plays the piano. So it's too simple. Okay, you try to solve it out by yourself, and of course I'll send you the PDF. In that it will be the answers. Okay, now third one, unscramble the letters and fill in the blanks. The words are given, you have to unscramble the letters. Okay, and fill in the blanks. The bees are dash over the flowers, the leaves were dash in the breeze. Okay, find it out. Next one is rewrite the following sentences using the opposites of the verbs given in bold. So here in this sentences are given here. First one is they built the tower 20 years ago. So built is there. So built is in the built is there. We have to put the opposite of the built here. Okay. Build का जो opposite word होगा वो आपको यहाँ पे put करना है. Okay. Rewrite the word sentences using the opposite of the verbs given in bold. Okay. The same way you do this. Now come to page number 56. Okay, now you have to come to page number 56. So in this, children, verbs can be of three types. Okay, here verbs can be of three types. Verbs that show action. First one is verbs that show action. Okay, example, skip, play, chirped, parked, bought and sung. So these all are the words which show the action. Okay, now verbs that show action can be in any one of the four forms. तो जो एक्शन वर्ड्स होते हैं, एक्शन वर्ब जो वर्ड्स हुए, जो वर्ब हुए, दैट विल बी इन एनी ऑफ द फोर फॉर्म्स. वो किसी भी फॉर्म कैन बी इन एनी वन ऑफ द फोर फॉर्म्स. रूट फॉर्म में भी हो सकते हैं, प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म में भी हो सकते हैं, एंड पास्ट फॉर्म और द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म. दे कैन बी इन एनी ऑफ द वर्ब फॉर्म. ओके, एक्शन वर्ड्स. नाउ वर्ब्स दैट शो स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग और पोजीशंस. Some word shows possessions. So ये जो state of being या फिर मैं कैसा हूँ state of being, okay, it shows that words are followed by noun. Okay, so example is given here. I am tall, he is fat, they are good boys, I have a pen, she has a brother, the party was fun, the old people were kind. So verbs that show state of being or position are followed by a noun, pronoun or an adjective with or without an article. तो जो वर्ड्स पोजीशंस बताते हैं या स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग बताते हैं, दे आर फॉलोड विथ नाउन, प्रोनाउन और एडजेक्टिव, and the article is not present in that sentence. Here I am tall, so I am tall. Okay, so this word, this shows the possession. He is fast, they are good boys. So these all are followed by a noun. Okay, so now verbs that act as supporting verbs. Some words act as supporting verb or helping verb. Okay, helping verb बोलते हैं या फिर supporting verb. These words, what are these verbs? Example, I am walking today, they are running away, he was killed in the war, we were breathing heavily, they have walked for a long time, she has run a marathon, my sister had eaten dinner by the time I got home. So here verbs that act as supporting verbs are followed by the present participle or past participle form of a verb. तो जो वर्ब सपोर्टिंग वर्ब की तरह एक्ट करते हैं सेंटेंस में, दे विल बी फॉलोड बाय प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ओके, आई एम वॉकिंग टुडे. सो हियर आई एम वॉकिंग टुडे, व्हाट इज वर्ब हियर? मीन्स वॉकिंग इज वर्ब हियर. Okay, so walking is verb. Then what is supporting verb here? Am is the supporting verb. They are running. Similarly, he was killed in the war. Okay, so these all are helping verbs in this sentences, and it will be जब भी helping verb present होगा sentence में, they will be followed by present participle or past participle form of verb. Okay, he is a miser. Identify the verb in the following sentences and underline them. He is a miser. What is a verb in this? Miser is a verb. Sorry, miser is not the verb. Now next, the price of potatoes has increased today. Okay, they played football every day. Sanju ate sandwiches for lunch. So this exercise also you will solve out. Okay. So we will do till here only today, and try to solve out the sentences by yourself. Okay, try to solve it. It's not hard, it's too easy. Okay, and no need to worry, I will send you the PDF of the all chapters. Okay, जितने भी chapters है, I will send the PDF. Okay, for the last and this, no need to worry. So this is the chapter. Now study, live at study hard and stay at home. Okay, obey your parents, respect your parents. Okay children, thank you.